Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to allow members to change group information on Telegram web using your PC, following the latest update. First, open your web browser and go to the Telegram website by entering web.telegram.org. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside, navigate to the group where you are an admin and want to enable this permission. Next, click on the group's name at the top of the chat window. This will open the group's profile page. Look for the edit icon, usually represented by a pencil or similar symbol, and click on it to access the group settings. In the settings menu, find and select the permissions option. This section controls what members can and cannot do within the group. Here, you will see a list of permissions you can toggle on or off. Look for the permission labeled Change Chat Info. This option allows members to edit the group's name, photo, and description. To enable it, simply click the toggle switch next to it. After enabling Change Chat Info, make sure to click the Save button to apply your changes. Now, the members you allow will be able to update the group information directly. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily manage who can change your Telegram group's info on the web version using your PC. This feature is especially useful for collaborative groups where multiple admins or trusted members need to keep the group details up to date. Thank you for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram groups with this new update.